So I'm on a sales page that I created inside of Kartra. It's got a countdown timer, buttons, a lot of different components here on this sales page. Schedule for this upcoming live training class that I do for Salesforce certifications, but this is built inside of Kartra. One nice thing you can do in Kartra is you can add an exit pop-up so that if someone were to hover over the back button in their browser or go off of the main screen, Kartra can sense the intention of the user is to escape out of your sales page, and so you can give them a pop-up to offer something different or to add another bonus or something like that. And so the page that I was on, I'm getting ready to escape, is a live class, and so now I'm offering users the option of an on-demand class, and this one is my Career Launch Accelerator. It's where you build apps on the Salesforce platform, and that gives you the ability to embed videos and enroll now buttons, etc., inside of this pop-up. So I want to show you how to build this exit pop-up inside of Kartra. So if I tab over into Kartra, here is my sales page. I went into Kartra and went to pages and selected to edit this particular page that you were viewing earlier. And then when you're inside of the page editor, you can select pop-ups and insert or activate a pop-up. Now, this option for a landing pop-up would be that it would appear whenever someone first lands on the page. To do an exit pop-up, you select exit pop-up, and you can set the occurrence for either every visit or only have that pop up on a user's first visit. And so you can decide how much you want to nag people with your other offer there. And so I've got on every visit, and then I've built out this component here. And this works much like a regular sales page inside of Kartra. You can add additional components here. So currently you're viewing something that I've already created, but you could, for example, add additional components to your pop-up. So for example, if you wanted to add text component, you could do so. So I'm going to go ahead and close out the block templates section here, and this gives you some Latin verbiage that you could then replace with your own verbiage. There's a lot of different settings you can do on your pop-up components here. I'm just going to change the text here as an example. You can center, bold, italicize, etc. Whenever you're done with your pop-up, you can just select to publish the page. And this is the pop-up overlay, and you've also have the sales page underneath. So we publish live, and it takes a moment for that to upload the changes to the internet. And then what I'll do is I'll go back into the front-facing page, and here's the URL that resides at. And so now I can go over to the other tab, close this out, and then what you need to do is refresh your browser from the front end so that it loads the changes for the pop-up. And once that's done loading, I will try to exit out and see the changes in the pop-up. So here are the changes, the new text added, and the new verbiage here that I just previously added as well. And I've got a YouTube video embedded here. So if you're interested in learning more about Kartra, please do reach out. Let me know what you'd like to learn next related to Kartra. I just might make it my next video. Also, if you want to try Kartra for free, be sure and hit the link down in the description. And rest assured that is an affiliate link that would help support me in my endeavors of creating content online. Much appreciated. And also, while you're here, be sure and like, subscribe, leave a comment. You know the routine. A little love for the algorithm. And until then, I'll see you in the cloud.